Second set. Both catches. Being a little bit more passive. Kano, good break. Sam, stay back. Kick side set forward. Low poke. Good block. Nice punish. Good break from Kano. Kano down to 15%. Dioki. Sam making it with the back against the wall. The back four. Kano's got the corner. And Sam with another combo. Anti-flare combo by Sam. Sam with a successful break. Now working with Eddie. Eddie taking out. Working with Dioki. At the wall, Sam rolls back. Gives the ball to 84. Sam's on the wall. Second round, Kano. Nice throw break by Sam. Good. And the mix-up. Kano takes the mix-up. Combo, 50%. Low poke. Anywhere at the corner. Up forward fours. Taking the bang. Down 4-2 for the win. Second round. No one break by Sam. Sam's got to get out of it. He's got to clutch it out. Kano with the complete rush down. Holding down the corner. Closing the match out with a tech trap.